Today we're going to be installing the Custom Dynamics headlight on our Lowrider ST that we have here at the shop. Now, like all bikes, they're a little bit different, so we're going to show you a basic install on the bike we have here at our shop. Your bike at home might look a little bit different, but if you ever get confused, you can refer back to the detailed instructions that are included in the kit. The first thing we're going to do for this install is remove the 6 windshield bolts that hold the windshield on. After the windshield's off, we have to get the fairing off. To remove the fairing, there's 6 T25 Torx screws that hold this on. We're going to start by removing the wind deflectors on each side and then remove the other 2 screws. With those 6 screws out, we can remove the fairing. Then we're going to disconnect the OEM wiring harness for the headlight. We're going to remove the bezel by twisting left. Something to note here, I've got the fairing upside down because it sits a little bit better on the table this way, but we're going to remove the 3 T25 screws that hold the headlight bracket in and install our new one. For this part, we're actually going to reuse those 3 screws that we just pulled out, and we do have to use a 1/4" drill bit and drill 1 extra hole, and then we're going to install the new bolt with the supplied hardware. The next thing I did was went ahead and installed the headlight bracket onto the headlight itself, and then we can go ahead and install the new headlight into our fairing. We're going to use the supplied 4 nuts for this part and tighten it down with our 10mm ratchet. With that done, we can install our new connector. This plugs right into your OEM harness, and then we can go ahead and install the fairing and headlight. For installing the fairing, we're just going to go in the exact reverse order that we took everything apart. Once we get those 6 T25 screws reinstalled and the fairing is tight, then we can go ahead and reinstall our windshield. Start to finish, this only took a few minutes and it was a very easy install. You really have minimal tooling required. But again, at any point you had issues or questions, you can refer back to the very detailed colored instructions that's provided with the headlight. This is the finished look. It turned out killer and it's extremely bright. We thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.